Welcome back to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve practice set 3.1 of triangle of 9th standard geometry. So before starting that, we are going to learn what is the theorem of remote interior angle. Okay, so here, to understand the theorem of remote interior angle, we need to draw one diagram which I am going to show you now. So I have drawn this diagram, which is ABCD with a triangle. Okay, here the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the remote interior angle. So we have to show this in this theorem that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the remote interior angle. So I am writing first the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to its remote interior angle. Means triangle ABC is equal to what? ACD. Okay, so first we are going to write the given equation in triangle ABC. Okay, here angle ACD is an exterior angle. So angle, this is exterior angle. ACD is angle ACD is an exterior angle. Okay, now here we have to prove angle ACD is equal to angle AB, angle ABC and BAC plus angle BAC. Okay, in this theorem we have to prove the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the remote interior angle. So I am writing here. We'll start with solution. So here angle ABC plus angle BAC, okay, plus angle ACB, okay, is equal to 180 degree. ABC, BAC and ACB equal to 180 degree. Okay, because of some measure of all angles are triangle is 180 degree. Okay, this is the reason. Now next step is here angle ACB plus ACD equal to 180. Okay, here angle ACB plus ACD is equal to 180. See here, ACB and ACD equal to 180 because of linear angle. Okay, I hope you understood now. Now next step is we are going to write angle ABC plus BAC plus ACB equal to angle ACB plus ACD. So here you can see in left hand side and right hand side ACB is given. We are going to cut this. Okay, now what remain here? Therefore angle ABC plus BAC is equal to angle ACD. So here we have proved in this theorem that angle ABC BAC is equal to angle ACD. So hence we proved a measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to its remote interior angle. I hope you understood what is the theorem of. Remote interior angle. Now we are going to solve practice set 3.1 of chapter triangle of 9th standard geometry. Now question number 1 of practice set 3.1 of chapter triangle is, in a figure angle ACD is an exterior angle. This is the same angle which we previously seen. So this is ACD. It's an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Here B is given 40 degree, A is given 70 degree. We have to find angle ACD. Okay, so we'll start with our solution. So first we will write what is the given here with solution. What is given? Angle ACD is an exterior angle. This is first point. Second point is given angle B is 40 degree. Okay, and the third point is given angle A is 70 degree. It's all given in question itself. Now what we have to prove? To prove angle ACD. Okay, we have to prove angle ACD here. Now we'll start with solution. So I'm writing here angle ACD is equal to angle ABC plus BAC. Okay, it is proved by remote interior angle theorem. Okay, this we have already proved by remote interior angle theorem. Now angle ACD we have to find. So angle B is given how much? Angle ABC. So B is given 40 degree. Okay, plus angle A is given 70 degree. Okay, now angle ACD is equal to 40 plus 70, that is 110. So we got the answer. Therefore angle ACD is equal to 110. 10 degree. So here we have to write angle ACD is equal to 110 degree. Now question number 2 of practice set 3.1. In triangle PQR, P is 70 degree, Q is 65 degree, then find the value of R. So here P is what? 70 degree, Q is 65 degree, and we have to find the value of R. Okay, so we are going to start with solution. So what is given? In triangle PQR, P is equal to 70 degree. It is given, and angle Q is equal to 65 degree. This is also given in question itself. So we have to find the value of R. So here we are going to write angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of measure of all angle of triangles is 180 degree. Okay, now here therefore P value is given 70 degree plus Q value 65 degree plus R equal to 180 degree. Okay, now after adding this we'll get 135 plus R equal to 180. Now R is equal to 180 minus 135. Okay, now we'll get the value of R equal to 45 degree. So here we got answer 45 degree. I hope you understood how to find. It is very simple if you follow the formula, and if your concept is clear, step by step we can easily solve this problem. Now next is question number 3. Now question number 3 is given. The measure of angle of a triangle are x degree, x minus 20 degree and x minus 40 degree. Find the measure of each angle. So we have to find the measure of each angle. So we'll start with solution. Okay, first we'll write whatever the given solution, whatever the given condition we are going to write first. Measure of 3 angles given. Okay, the measure of 3 angles given of triangle are x degree, this is x degree, then next one is x minus 20 degree. Okay, and the third one is and x minus 40 degree. Okay, so this is the 3 degree we have. We have to find the correct angle of these 3 triangles corner. Okay, we have to find the degree of each and every corner of triangle. So here we will start with solution. So I am writing the first condition, that is x degree plus x minus 20 degree plus x minus 40 degree. Okay, sum of the equal is equal to 180 degree. Why? The same condition, the sum of measure of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Okay, I hope you understood. Now again, next step is we are going to write, I'm writing the same as it is, x degree plus x minus 20 degree plus x minus 40 degree equal to 180. Now I'm going to remove the bracket. So x degree plus x minus 20 degree plus x minus 40 degree equal to 180. Now here we'll get 3x degree minus 20 and 40 minus plus 60 degree equal to 180. Okay, now next step will be 3x equal to 180 degree. This minus will come this side, means it will become, the sign will change, plus 60 degree. Again 3x is equal to 240 degree. Again 3x, sorry, not 3x, x is equal to 240 upon 3. Then we divide, we'll get 80 degree. So x is equal to 80 degree we got. Now with the help of this we will write the measure of 3 each angle. So here I am writing, therefore measure of angles of a triangle are, first x degree is equal to 80 degree, okay, and second is what, x minus 20, it is 20 degree equal to, in the place of x we will write 80 minus 20, will get 60 degree, okay. Third is given x minus 40, so we'll write in the place of x 80, then minus 40, will get 40 degree. So therefore we got angle, I am writing, therefore x is equal to 80 degree, okay, here 60 degree and here 40 degree. I hope you understood question number 3 solution. Now we are going to solve question number 4 of practice set 3.1. Now question number 4 is given, the measure of a triangle is twice the measure of its smallest angle and the measure of the other is twice the measure of the triangle is twice the measure of its smallest angle and the measure of other is thrice the measure of the smallest angle. So find the measure of each angle. Okay, we have to find the measure of each angle. As you can see, that figure is given here, triangle x, 2x and 3x. We have to find the measure of each angle. So we'll start with solution. First we will write what is the given condition. Let the measure of smallest angle be x. Okay, let the measure of smallest angle be x. So therefore measure of second angle 2x degree, this is 2x degree. Okay, now measure of third angle, that is 3x degree. This is the third angle. It is 3x degree. Okay. Now we will start with our solution. So the first condition will come, x square plus 2x degree plus 3x, x degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree is equal to 180 degree. As you know why it is? Because of sum of measure of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Okay, by adding all this we'll get 6x degree equal to 180. Okay, I hope it is visible. Now x is equal to 180 upon 6. When we divide this both, we'll get value of x as a 30. Okay, we got the value of x as a 30 degree. Now we have to write measure of angle of a triangle. First one is x is equal to 30 degree. Second, 2x means 2 will get multiplied by 30, that is 60 degree. And the third angle is 3x degree, that is 3 get multiplied by 30, that is 90 degree. So we got 3. We have find the measure of each angle, that is 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So I am writing here, this is 30 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. Okay, and this is 60 degree. So we have find the measure of. Question number 5. In figure 3.9, measure of some angles are given using the measure. Find the value of x, y, z. So here angle TEN is given 100 degree and angle EMR is given 140 degree. Interior angle and exterior angles are given. So here inside we have to find the measure of x, y, z. So we'll start with solution. So I'm writing here. So angle TEN is equal to 100 degree. Okay. Now angle EMR is equal to 140 degree. Okay. Now we are going to write angle TEN plus angle TEN plus angle NEM and EM equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of angles in a linear pair. This is the reason, angles with linear pair. So here TEN is given 100 degree plus angle NEM equal to 180 degree. Now here angle NEM equal to 180 minus 100, then we'll get NEM equal to 80 degree. So here angle NEM means y value we got, angle y is equal to 80 degree. I hope you understood. Now next step is, angle EMR, angle EMR is given 140 degree. Okay. Now we'll take EMN, okay, plus angle EMN equal to 180 degree. So same reason will come, angles in a linear pair. Okay. See here we have taken EMR which is given 140 degree plus EMN equal to 180 degree because of linear pair, angle of linear pair. So here also 140 degree plus angle EMN equal to 180. Now angle EMN equal to 180 minus 140. So we'll get EMN equal to 40 degree. So we got angle Z. We got angle Z equal to 40 degree. I hope you understood. The next we are going to take the another angle to find out the value of x. So we are going to take angle NEM plus angle EMN plus ENM equal to 180 degree angles in a linear pair. So I'm going to show. See, it is visible. Now we have taken NEM plus EMN plus ENM equal to 180 degree. Okay, we have taken 180 degree. Okay, so here we got, this is y plus z plus x is equal to 180. Okay, the value of y we got already, that is 80 degree plus 40 plus x equal to 180 degree. Now 120 plus x is equal to 180. Now here x is equal to 180 minus 120. Now x is equal to 60 degree we got. Okay, we got the value of x as a 60 degree. So we'll write, we got angle x as a 60 degree